Tony's Adventures. Adventures. Well, hello and welcome to Tony's Adventures. We're here at the quay in Ballina, and today's mission is to launch this beauty of a boat here. It's Willie's boat, and make sure she's seaworthy for a very special event coming up, all to be revealed. Here we go. So a little bit of bother on the water, and so we've come up here to see Sinead and see what she can do about it. What's the problem, Sinead? What's going on now?
The engine is seized, I believe.
Oh, Willie, what did you do to it? There we are. So they might be ready tomorrow?
Or next year?
Stay tuned. Right, we're off then. Engine fixed. And we're heading off from Killala Bay, Killala Pier. Boys going fishing. I'm going to try a bit of free diving. Here we go.
Lovely. Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands on golden sand and watches the ships that go sailing. Somewhere beyond the sea, she's there watching for me. If I could fly like birds on high, then straight to her arms I'd go sailing. It's far beyond the star, it's near beyond the moon. I know beyond a doubt my heart will lead me there soon. Beyond the shore we'll kiss just as before. Happy we'll be beyond the sea, and never again I'll go sailing. Somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands on golden sand and watches the ships that go sailing. Somewhere beyond the sea, she's there watching for me. If I could fly like birds on high, straight to her arms I'd go sailing. It's far beyond the star, it's near beyond the moon.
Right, so that's the fishing and the free diving over with. As you saw, we got to tow back to harbour because the engine's stuck in reverse.
No comments.
Thing is, the trailer's at the other harbour, so Jeff is coming to get us from Killala and, give us a lift back to Killala, and we can get home from there. Well, that was a lovely day out on the boat. Very big thanks to Willie and his father Joe for bringing me out on the boat. They did a bit of fishing. How did you get on, guys?
Very good. We had a big catch with one mackerel.
One mackerel.
And I had a great time swimming around with the Moon Jellyfish there. So if you like that sort of thing, please subscribe and then like and share, and also send me a comment because I'd love to hear from you. And Willie's boat will be better for the next trip. Another trip to
Hopefully,
Sligo.
another trip to Sligo, yeah.
Okay. Oh, and don't you forget now,
Stay adventurous.
stay adventurous.
Lovely, Tony.